I've been looking for this for weeks. This is my new webcam that I used 1 day, 2 days on streams, and I lost it. How do you lose a webcam in an RV? It was in my junk drawer. I don't know why I would have put it in there. Now all I gotta do is find that pair of pants. I still can't find them. I swear I must have left them at the laundromat. Well, I'm getting ready for my move. I've been prepping for a couple days inside the RV, trying to get everything organized. I hate leaving with it being a mess. I'd rather have it all organized so when I get there, you know, I can start making a mess again. But I might go somewhere today, and if I do, I'm going to record it, if they allow me to record it. I am also doing, you'll notice a couple live streams popping up here and there. They're mostly just tests. I'm just trying to learn how to do it, because I'm just so terrible on the camera. You guys don't see how bad I am. Like, if I made bloopers reels, they'd be longer than my videos. So I want to see if I can start making things live, then I can't mess up. I have to really force myself not to mess up. And I think it'd be a good educational thing for me, or training. Also, there's some new kind of content I'm thinking about dabbling into. I've been on other people's live streams already. I don't know, you'll see stuff popping up. You can ignore it or whatever. It's no big deal. If anything's exciting, if it's like just tests, all you're going to pretty much see is a saguaro cactus. I'll use that same picture for all the tests. And if there's like some kind of, if there's a thumbnail that might look interesting, then you can watch it. If you might actually be something. I don't know. We'll find out soon. Because I will be doing a lot more videoing coming up here in the next couple months, starting possibly today. So there's some kind of car museum here I wanted you to see. And I got all mad at myself because I left the house, I left the RV, and man, I forgot to bring water. Should I turn around? Should I go back? I just stop at the store and get a bottle. And meanwhile, while I'm thinking of this, my arm is resting on a whole case of water right next to me. But anyway, my national park pass won't be here until Monday. So there's two things coming Monday that I'm waiting on, but I can't. I'm going tomorrow. I'm headed towards Tombstone tomorrow. Park pass I don't need it this weekend. The first place I'm going to use it's out here. So what I'll do is I'll stay in Tombstone. I want to mix these two up. I'm always going to mix them two up. Tucson and Tombstone. I will go to Tombstone, and then when my prescriptions are ready back here in Tucson, which I think I have 2 weeks worth left, I'll just come back and I'll get all the two things that are coming, and then my prescriptions. Maybe I'll come in the morning so I can go to the national park and spend the day out here, and then head back to Tucson. It's only like less than an hour drive. This area seems a little sketchy. Well, a lot of sketchy people. I don't think I'm going to be here too long anyway, because I did forget to take my medicine. I'm just about there. It's right up here on the right. Here it is, Rolling Through Time Auto Museum. Oh wait, I feel like I pulled in the wrong side though. I don't know which one it is. Department of Economic Security. This must be it. Looks like a restaurant. Well, this is it. Ooh, a little tractor there. I think I want to like this place.
We'll just give
So I could spend all day right here buying these things. Pretty cool. RC cars. I can't afford any of them. Okay, this is Model Ts and older. It's 29 Model A, 24T, 23T. Not sure what the other one is. The owner of this place owns the 8 Ace Hardwares here in Tucson. Horseless carriage. I wonder, like, oh my gosh, they're just solid rubber. Never even heard of Model N. Or S, for that matter. Mother-in-law Roadster. Oh, it's got the seat back here. I'm not going to show all these because they're pretty much all this very similar. I do want to show this. All original, potentially not detailed or cleaned in any way. 1910 Model T Touring. And they got like split rims on them. I guess they're all solid rubber wheels. Yikes, look at that seat. This one here I thought was pretty cool. NYPD.
He's not mechanically inclined at all. He can't drive.
I'm going to walk through these Model Ts here. I do have a video about Henry Ford. This must be like the assembly line, the frame. Wow. That's shiny. There's some little racers there, speedsters. I really like these ones here with the woodwork. I don't think the seats are original. I wouldn't want to go too far sitting on them either. Talk about hemorrhoids. You know, cool parts hanging on the wall. I guess this limo looking one here, three rows of seats. I think that's cool. The 1919 Model T depot hack. There's a military one there. Kids can come in and color these things in. Another military. Gas mask and a helmet in there. I wouldn't know how to drive this thing. There's 3 pedals. I guess one's the clutch. My feet will cover all 3 of them pedals. 14 wides.
careful when you walk through the woods around here. In this case, is a very large, unexploded shell. Just been sitting here for 90 years.
Check this out. Reminds me of Gomer Pyle. What do we have in here? Parts? That's an ambulance. I guess these are, I mean, you can't fit a body in here, of course. What's up there? There's steps. Is there something up there? I've built one of these before. I rode it for about 3/4 of a mile and blew the engine because I didn't break it in. For all you millennials out there, this thing's called a payphone. You put money in to call people. Well, actually, millennials probably know about it. Maybe the, what's the next one? Yeah, I guess millennials, Gen Zs. I remember my dad had one of these. Never ever did I get to figure out how to ride this with two people. I never got it down to a science. A lot of cool old bicycles. I'm really into the old bicycles. Not the Peugeot so much. Like the Western Flyers and the Columbias and all the ones with these tanks on them I like. And of course the Schwinn's. I remember riding those when I was a kid. We'll go into this room next. Okay, that's closed. Tucson. Reserved for DJ John. Barbie. Tin Man. Tons of Beanie Babies. Holy heck. No, not the Packers. Let's find the creepy dolls. They gotta be in here somewhere. Hey, there's a little rascal. What's his name? Alfalfa. Oh, and then there's Spanky. Yeah. I don't remember either of those two names. I don't remember any of the other ones. It's Alfalfa and Spanky. Lois. Oh, I think that's the paint shop back here. Possibly the only Mustang I've really never cared much for. I wonder if they're actually painting it. I think they are actually painting it. It's an active paint. Crap, I can't tell if it's a display or if they're really painting that. Sure looks like they're painting it. I remember my dad having all these kind of tins. Probably worth a fortune though. Is this an active mechanic shop? There's an old Crown Vic. It's a 91 Crown Vic. This is the same style one used in that show with Carol O'Connor. When he's Chief Gillespie. What was that called? You know, Archie Bunker. Not that show though, but that guy. I wonder if this is considered a school bus here. Almost looks like you can make it a boat. I'm calling it a school bus because there's 4 rows of seats and it's yellow in the picture. There's a cool Mustang there. That's 65 maybe? That's a bathroom, you don't need to see that. Oh man, Chilton's books. I gave all mine to Sleeper Dude. I'm not gonna find too many people that can operate this thing anymore. Well, these are fire hoses, so this must be the fire truck room. It is. I'm not gonna go too far into the camera place here, but I can almost guarantee my mom has a couple of these at the house.
Seeing really many nice ones.